How does Capital One shopping application works? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how it works. Suppose you want to purchase something, then just simply type it up on Capital One shopping app and it basically acts as a mediator and finds the best deals for you on the internet. And it also helps you apply coupon codes so you get to save some money. So just click on this option of search and go to any particular category where you want to purchase some particular product. And if you have any product in your mind already, then just simply search for it. Suppose I want to purchase any book, I will just select the book category over here and then wait for it to load. Now it will give me various options to choose from, whether I want to purchase it from any particular option. I would go with the ecampus.com. Just click on this option of activate and shop. Now your rewards will be activated and for the purchase you will get some rewards and the coupon codes will be applied automatically. Just click on let's go. And here you can find the cheaper textbooks and you would be able to purchase them. Now let's get back and show you one more example. Suppose I want to purchase Nike Jordan. So I will just simply search for it and click on search, then let it complete its search, and this is how it will appear. Now in case if it is on stores, then just switch it up to products, then you will find different products over here. Just select the product that you want to purchase. Suppose I want to purchase this one, so I will just click on it, and after that Capital One shopping will find the best deals for you. Just wait for it to do its work. And it says that the product is currently out of stock, so we can just go back and search for something else. Let's search for this one and it has found this one, so we can see all the details related to this particular product over here and check whether we want to purchase it or not. And this particular deal is applicable or is there on eBay, so we just have to click on this option of shop at eBay, and after that the Capital One shopping will load and activate your rewards. Basically on every purchase you will be getting some rewards and the codes will be applied automatically. Just click on let's go and check out whether you want to purchase this particular product or not. So after you like it, then just simply go with the deal and you would be able to purchase it. In case if you don't like it, just get back and search for another product, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.